All right. Here we are in our hallway here. About to head into room 1370. It's a junior suite here on the Independence of the Seas. We're on the 10th deck, the aft, on the, I believe, starboard side. That's the right side of the ship. I'll take you in to the junior suite here. I've already unpacked all my stuff, which is, a little sloppy, but nothing untoward. So this is actually the very first time that Laura and I have ever gotten a junior suite, believe it or not, or any kind of suite. We have stayed in all the nicest places on land, and howdy, and we've been on so many ships, and we did the yacht club in the Meraviglia, which is here today with us in the Bahamas, but we've never actually done a suite. And guess what? She's not here. Laura's not here to enjoy this suite with me today. So she's a little upset, but she's gonna go on Seabourn next week and more than make up for that. Anyway, this is the junior suite, significantly more spacious. I love it. I think it's great. I don't know that I'm gonna be able to go back to a regular balcony room, which I still love balcony rooms, but this is fabulous. This is fabulous. They, of course, older ships, I don't know why they continue to drop the ball with, what do you see? Other than Tums. No outlets, no USBs, no nothing. And don't ask, because they're not behind the lamps. I know that the phone has a USB cord that comes out of the side of it, but nope. No outlets, no USBs. Haven't even sat on that couch, but this chair here I've sat on every morning, very comfortable. Balcony is humongous, absolutely huge balcony. I mean, I'll take you out here, obviously. Look at this. You've got 3 chairs. Oh, let's step out so you can get a good 3 chairs. Not 1 or 2, 3. Big table, a lot of room. 2 loungers. This is a massive size balcony. So, really, really cool. And yeah, we are here again. And as I said, we're in here, Nassau, Bahamas, with some good company here. We got the MSC Meraviglia right here, which we were on a few months ago. Carnival Legend, Carnival Sunshine. There's another royal ship right there. Not sure which one it is, but I do know that the Enchantment of the Seas is, I don't think you can see it, somewhere over here. So quite a few ships in port today. If you haven't been here in a while, there is a lot of construction going on. There's there's piers aplenty. Piers aplenty. It's amazing how much buildup has gone on here in the last few years. So Bahamas is going to become a premier destination, I hope, because it's a very close location. Everyone stops here. Every cruise line does. So it would be awesome if they could really build it up to some place that would be more exciting than just going to Atlantis and doing a few bar crawls. It's got a lot of potential, and hopefully they're going to do it right. So looking forward to that. So let's take you back in. And don't forget to thumb up this video, hit subscribe, share it with all your friends, let them know how much you love Royal Caribbean and Celebrity, and how Scott and Laura brings you every ship tour, every room tour, and all the good stuff. So make sure you like and subscribe, and check us out on the web, myextraordinaryadventures.com, and has all our Instagram, our Facebook. You can get us all those different ways, and you can of course book a Royal Caribbean or Celebrity cruise. So now that the plug's over, coffee stuff for you. There's a refrigerator down here. For some reason it's not very cold, but I haven't been using it, so I didn't complain. TV, a lot of space, for all your stuff. Good. 2 sockets over here. We were on Carnival last month. They only had 1, which was weird, which encouraged me to buy one of these things. And now I didn't really need it as much, but it's still good to have. Remember that they cannot have a surge protector. Cannot have a surge protector. It can be an outlet with multiple ports, but it cannot have a surge protector. So that's something to remember when you come on a cruise ship. It has something to do with their electrical wiring. There's articles aplenty if you Google it, talking about it, but plenty of space here. The lights come on, if you wanted to do your makeup and whatnot. So, bed was very comfortable. Pillows are a little bit big for like your head gets angled up a bit much. Not the width, I don't care about that, but the bed was very comfortable. It's a little firm, so if you don't like firm, you may not love it, but I like firm. I'm not a tiny guy, and so having that support is good. A freaking walk-in closet. I've never seen such a thing on a cruise ship. Again, I haven't done any suites, so the robes that you can use, it's amazing. I mean, it's a little sloppy over there with my t-shirt just chucked around, but it's great. It's great. I mean, for 2 people in here, like, look how much space I've taken for a 4-day cruise. So Laura would have plenty of space. Bathroom's real nice. A little bit maybe nicer appointments, but fairly typical in terms of what you get. You know, you get your cabinet space on both sides. I like the angle of the toilet. Plenty of room to, you know, if you're for a tall person, your knees are not going to hit anything. You get a full tub, so also good for you families. If you've got the little ones and you want to give them a bath. Shower pressure was good. Shower temperature was good. No complaints at all about that. They give you some premium products. That's my healthy product, but they give you some premium products there. Some more over here. You know, all your typical stuff. I don't think I have any criticism, honestly, of this room. I'm very pleased with it, and I think that you would do well to consider booking this room here. It's a junior suite. I believe it's a J4 junior suite. So, and if you have any questions, you can feel free to check us out on the web. And there's contact information there, my email address, phone number, and all the rest of that. And we'll be happy to talk about your options. But if you just have questions, you can certainly put them in the comments for this video. I'm pretty good at staying on top of answering those. So and that's it for now. This is Stateroom Tour 1370. Extraordinary Adventures, Cruise and Travel. Scott and Laura, without the Laura today. And that's it. I'll go ahead and say bye, guys. We'll see you in the next video.